Welcome to another neighborhood video watch brought to you by my website www.centraltorontoprestigious.homes.com and www.yran-torontohomesforsale.com. Today is March 1st, 2009, and the neighborhood that we are going to present to you is the neighborhood of South Hill. South Hill is based in the central area of Toronto at the district of C3, according to the TRAB map. Has its borders the north side St. Clair Avenue West, at the west Spadina Road, East Avenue Road, and the south side Davenport and Poplar Plains Road. If you look what's there for sale, as far as homes, we only find two homes for sale, one at $1,300,000 and the other home at close to $3 million. The average property tax, $11,500 a year, 4 bedrooms, 4 washrooms, and the style are detached and townhome. One is a 2.5 story and the other one is a 3-story home. Even though there's only 2 listings for freehold, if you look at condos, we are able to find 13 condos, mean price much more reasonable at $555,000, average property tax at $3,800 a year, 2 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and they are condo apartments. And from the numbers we see that South Hill is quite a affluent neighborhood and a great place to live. Thank you.